Welcome to the channel, and thanks for stopping by. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic sports cars of the pre-war era, the legendary 1935 BMW 328. A car that didn't just make waves in motorsport history but set the tone for how BMW would define performance and engineering for decades to come. Now, when you think of classic European sports cars, names like Ferrari or Jaguar might pop into your head. But the 328, it was the car that helped BMW earn its stripes on the racetrack long before those names became household icons. Introduced in 1935 and produced between 1936 and 1940, the BMW 328 was light, nimble, and surprisingly powerful for its time. And here's the kicker: it wasn't just fast in a straight line. It could actually handle corners. That was revolutionary back then. Under the hood, the 328 featured a 2.0-liter inline-six engine producing around 80 horsepower. Now I know, that doesn't sound like much today. But remember, this was the mid-1930s. Back then, 80 horsepower in a lightweight roadster was nothing short of thrilling. The car could hit a top speed of about 93 miles per hour, which was seriously impressive, especially considering its weight came in under 1,800 pounds. It was the perfect balance of power and lightness. The bodywork, sculpted elegance. The 328 had a timeless, aerodynamic design that looked like it was built to move, even when it was standing still. It featured flowing fenders, a low-slung profile, and a front grille that became a defining element of BMW's design language. And the craftsmanship was just as beautiful under the skin. The 328's tubular frame made it both rigid and lightweight, another major innovation for the time. But it wasn't just a pretty face. The BMW 328 was a fierce competitor on the racing scene. It dominated the Mille Miglia, won its class at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, and collected countless victories at events all across Europe. Drivers loved it for its agility, reliability, and the way it communicated with the road. It wasn't brute force, it was precision. A car that danced through the corners while others struggled to keep up. Fast forward to today, and the BMW 328 is considered a crown jewel of pre-war automotive design. Only about 464 were ever built, making it a rare sight and a highly prized collector's item. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of what BMW stood for: innovative engineering, elegant design, and a passion for performance. If you're into classic cars, or even just appreciate how far automotive technology has come, the 328 is a milestone worth remembering. It laid the foundation for the M cars we know and love today. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed this deep dive, and let me know in the comments what legendary car you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories from the golden age of motoring.